Good evening, guys. This is George Fimmer and Chris Sharplin with Drone Institute. We're here to do something that's never been done before, commercial lead generation utilizing drone thermal technology. Essentially, we're going to fly over every single one of these buildings in the shopping strip and all the ancillary structures that you'll be able to see around us, capturing in a very quick fashion shots that show water intrusion or suspected water intrusions for each of these structures. We're then going to pair that with contact information for the owners and property management companies that serve these assets so that we can get commercial contractors targeted towards those who need help. All right, this is the first example that I've got of,
right there. See him?
all right, we got a good one.
Everybody usually comes to someone asking for this need. We have a leak or we think there's something there, and then they go try to find it. In this particular case, we have the tech. The tech's only going to get better, and we're able to handle this over a large area. So this is an enormous strip center. It's actually two strip centers together, and then you've got these ancillary buildings like the one behind us. Each one of these gets a small little snippet and a small picture, and we can take all that and put it together, and then those people can be contacted on an individual basis, because sometimes these things are not owned by one property management company. Sometimes the building's not owned by one person. Sometimes it is. Either way it wants to be approached, we're going to take the data of the contact in an extremely intense and comprehensive way. We're not going to just give the name. We're not just going to give you a phone number. We're going to give you everything, and we're going to combine that with the data that he collects with the thermal drone, and together you end up with commercial lead gen.